Okay, this time I will fix one of those design mistakes. I think the pizza should have a quantity. So if you look at here, pizza, there are 3 properties. So let me add quantity as a property, which is integer type. Okay, make sure you set setters and getters. Then here, I think I don't need to use 2 constructors, so I'll remove them. So that I will use a default constructor implicitly. I mean, without declaring default constructor or other constructors. Second, I will change to version 3 because it's part 3 of a pizza shop project. So let me add pizza dot set quantity. So it refers to text field quantity get text. So we may need to do typecasting because get text will return string value. So let me change to integer using parseInt methods. Again, typo. And then method here is a pizza get quantity. So let me use the methods. For that one, we don't really need it anymore, so let me comment it out. For the cput, same thing. Copy paste it. Busy, also same. Okay, we are using methods belongs to pizza object. So pizza get quantity, pizza get quantity. So we fixed 2 problems. Okay. So if you select the number 1 quantity, okay, it actually works. It's number 1. So set and getter method for quantity properties, it works. Okay. So let me try one more thing here. What if we don't select pizza at all? Okay, there's supposed to be some sort of message to say that we should select the pizza type. Because the if else statement, I did not put else statement. That's why you cannot verify. So say please select pizza type. Okay, at least we can see some validations. Then once we do that, we can order 1 pizza. I think that's all. Thank you.